Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the top 10 benefits of mango. From boosting immunity to improving digestion and supporting heart health, this vibrant fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. Let's dive into the top 10 benefits of including mango in your diet regularly. Number 1. Rich in essential nutrients. Mangoes are loaded with important vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. Just 1 cup of diced mango provides more than 60% of your daily vitamin C needs, a nutrient vital for immune function, collagen synthesis, and iron absorption. Mango also contains significant amounts of vitamin A, which supports vision and skin health, as well as vitamin E, K, and several B vitamins, including B6 and folate. Additionally, it offers essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and copper, all of which play key roles in maintaining healthy nerve function, muscle contraction, hydration balance, and red blood cell production. Number 2. Powerful antioxidant properties. Mangoes are rich in polyphenols, which are natural compounds with antioxidant properties that help protect the body against oxidative stress. Some of the most notable antioxidants found in mango include mangiferin, catechins, quercetin, gallic acid, and anthocyanins. These compounds work by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative conditions. Mangiferin, in particular, has been the focus of numerous studies for its impressive anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and heart protective effects. Regular consumption of mango may help reduce inflammation and protect against the oxidative damage caused by stress, pollution, and poor dietary habits. Number 3. Improves digestive health. Mango is well known for its positive effects on digestion, largely due to its fiber content and digestive enzymes. The fruit contains enzymes such as amylases, which help break down complex carbohydrates into simple sugars, easing the digestive process. This is especially beneficial after large meals when the digestive system is working harder. Furthermore, mango contains both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool and prevents constipation. Eating mango regularly can lead to more comfortable digestion and improved bowel regularity. Number 4. Strengthens the immune system. Mango is a great immune-supporting fruit, thanks to its high levels of vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C boosts the body's immune defense by enhancing the production and activity of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting immune cells from damage. Vitamin A plays a key role in maintaining the integrity of mucosal surfaces in the respiratory, digestive, and urinary tracts, which are the body's first lines of defense against pathogens. In addition to these vitamins, mango contains other nutrients like folate, vitamin E, and iron, which contribute to a stronger and more resilient immune system. Number 5. Promotes healthy skin and hair. The nutrients found in mango can greatly enhance the health and appearance of your skin and hair. Vitamin C is crucial for the production of collagen, a structural protein that keeps the skin firm, elastic, and youthful looking. Vitamin A aids in skin cell regeneration and can help reduce acne and dry skin. Vitamin E provides antioxidant protection against sun damage and premature aging. Mango also contains beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A and which gives the fruit its vibrant orange hue. These nutrients work together to hydrate the skin, even out skin tone, and reduce signs of aging. For hair health, vitamin A helps produce sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes the scalp and keeps hair shiny and strong. Number 6. Supports eye health. Mango is rich in eye protective nutrients such as vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. A deficiency in vitamin A can lead to serious eye problems, including dry eyes and night blindness. Lutein and zeaxanthin are powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and help filter harmful blue light. These compounds play a crucial role in protecting your eyes from age-related damage, including macular degeneration and cataracts. Including mango in your diet can help maintain long-term eye health and preserve good vision as you age. Number 7. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Although mango is naturally sweet, it has a relatively low to medium glycemic index, which means it causes a slower and more controlled rise in blood sugar levels compared to high glycemic foods. The fiber in mango slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, which helps prevent spikes in blood glucose. Additionally, mango contains compounds that may enhance insulin sensitivity and support better blood sugar management. This makes it possible for people with diabetes or those at risk to enjoy mango in moderation as part of a balanced diet. It's best to pair mango with a source of protein or healthy fat to further stabilize blood sugar responses. Number 8. Promotes heart health. Mango contains a combination of nutrients that are beneficial for heart health. Its potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by balancing out sodium and relaxing blood vessel walls. Magnesium contributes to proper heart rhythm and supports blood circulation. The soluble fiber in mango helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and removing it from the body. Additionally, antioxidants like mangiferin help protect the heart by reducing inflammation, oxidative stress, and arterial plaque formation. Eating mango regularly may contribute to improved cardiovascular function and a lower risk of heart disease over time. Number 9. Supports healthy weight management. Mango can be a useful addition to a weight-conscious diet when eaten in appropriate portions. It's relatively low in calories, around 100 calories per cup, yet high in fiber, which promotes feelings of fullness and reduces overall calorie intake. The natural sweetness of mango can also satisfy sugar cravings in a healthier way than processed snacks or desserts. Fiber slows digestion, keeping you satisfied for longer, and may help reduce overeating. Moreover, mango provides energy-boosting carbohydrates, making it a great pre- or post-workout snack. When combined with exercise and a balanced diet, mango can support weight maintenance and even aid in healthy weight loss. Number 10. Enhances brain health. Mango offers nutrients that play a role in supporting cognitive function and mental clarity. Vitamin B6 helps produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, sleep, and concentration. Glutamine acid found in mango is an amino acid that supports brain cell communication and memory function. The antioxidants in mango may also protect brain cells from oxidative damage and slow down age-related mental decline. While more research is still emerging, early studies suggest that mangiferin may have neuroprotective effects, making mango a brain-friendly fruit that contributes to sharper thinking and long-term brain health. Mango is not only a pleasure to eat but also a fruit packed with impressive health benefits. It supports nearly every system in the body, from digestion and immunity to vision, heart function, and even mental clarity. With its rich array of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, fiber, and antioxidants, mango truly earns its nickname as the king of fruits. Whether you enjoy it sliced, blended into smoothies, mixed into salads, or added to yogurt, there are countless ways to include mango in your meals. Just remember that moderation is key, especially if you're managing your sugar intake, and aim to consume fresh mango over processed versions whenever possible. So the next time you reach for a snack, consider this golden fruit. It's a naturally sweet way to fuel your body, protect your health, and satisfy your taste buds all at once. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. See you next time.